This video from the Famous Personalities series is about Alfred Russel Wallace. Alfred Russel Wallace was born on January 8, 1823, in Llanbedog, Wales. He grew up in a family that struggled financially, which limited his formal education. Despite this, he developed a strong interest in nature and science at a young age. Wallace's love for the natural world led him to become a self-taught naturalist. Wallace began his career as a land surveyor in the early 1840s. He traveled around England and became interested in collecting specimens of plants and animals. His work as a surveyor helped him learn about different species and their habitats. This experience laid the groundwork for his future explorations and studies in natural history. In 1848, Wallace set off on a major expedition to the Amazon rainforest. He aimed to collect specimens and study the diverse wildlife. During this trip, he gathered thousands of specimens, but he faced many challenges, including diseases and harsh conditions. Unfortunately, a fire on his ship destroyed most of his collection, but he remained determined to continue his research. After his Amazon trip, Wallace traveled to the Malay archipelago from 1854 to 1862. This region includes many islands, such as Indonesia and Malaysia, rich in biodiversity. Wallace conducted extensive research and collected many new species of plants and animals. His time in the archipelago was crucial for his theories on evolution. Wallace is best known for his contributions to the theory of evolution. He independently developed the idea of natural selection, which explains how species change over time through survival and reproduction. Wallace's work paralleled that of Charles Darwin, who is often more recognized. Together, their ideas formed the foundation of modern evolutionary biology. During his studies in the Malay archipelago, Wallace noticed a distinct boundary between two different animal groups. This boundary became known as Wallace's line. It separates the species found in Asia from those in Australia and New Guinea. This observation helps scientists understand how geographical barriers affect species distribution. Wallace made significant contributions beyond his work on evolution. He studied various topics, including biogeography, ecology, and anthropology. He published many papers and books that shared his findings with the scientific community. His writings helped raise awareness about the importance of conservation and the protection of natural habitats. In his later years, Wallace continued to write and speak about science and natural history. He became a prominent figure in the scientific community and received several awards for his work. Wallace also became interested in spiritualism and wrote about his beliefs. He remained active in scientific discussions until his death on November 7, 1913. Alfred Russel Wallace's legacy is significant in the field of science. He is remembered as a pioneer of evolutionary theory and a skilled naturalist. His work influenced many future scientists and helped shape our understanding of biodiversity. Today, he is celebrated for his contributions to biology and his commitment to studying and preserving the natural world.